Controller drift can be frustrating for gamers, but there are several methods to address the issue. Follow these steps to help improve your PlayStation 5 controller drift. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning the controller thoroughly. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks. This can remove dirt and debris that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Reset the controller. Resetting the controller can help resolve any software issues. Locate the small reset button on the back of the controller, press it with a pin or paper clip, and then reconnect the controller to your console. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the settings on your PlayStation 5 and navigate to the controller settings. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks to reduce sensitivity and minimize the effects of drift. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Ensure that your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect the controller to the console and check for any available updates in the system settings. Keeping the firmware current can help fix bugs that may contribute to drift. Step 5. Consider professional repair. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, consider seeking professional repair services. A technician can diagnose and fix hardware issues that may be causing the drift. By following these steps, you can effectively address controller drift and enhance your gaming experience.